Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine Amos, the CEO and Project Manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make disinfectant at home. Disinfectant is used in our homes such as toilet and bathrooms. It can also be used in offices and public places. If you're new to this channel, I suggest you click the subscription button so that you get posted of all our videos and resources each time we upload them. Disinfectant can be made from the following materials. These are Texapon, phenol, Lysol, carbolic acid, pine oil, water, concentrate, booster, and whitener. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce about 2.5 liters of disinfectant. Texapon 25 gram, phenol 75 ml, Lysol 75 ml, carbolic acid 125 ml, pine oil 100 ml, water 2.5 liters, concentrate 150 ml, booster 125 ml, and whitener 125 gram. Now before we go into the mixing properly, let's go through the safety precautions you will take as you do this preparation. Avoid direct contact of chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Now, as part of the precautions you should take in this preparation, please use a nose mask to avoid choking odor if you are asthmatic or allergic to pungent odors. Now these are the materials. This is Texapon, this is phenol, this is Lysol, this is carbolic acid, pine oil, clean water, concentrate, booster, and whitener. Now put your Texapon in a container and add phenol to it. Stir so as to make the Texapon dissolve. Make sure the Texapon dissolves completely in the phenol. Now you can add the Lysol to it. Also add the carbolic acid to the solution. Now you can add your pine oil and continue stirring. At this point, you can add your 2.5 liters of water and stir very well. Now you can add the concentrate and the booster and continue stirring. At this point, you can now add your whitener. Stir the solution very well for about 5 minutes. And now, ladies and gentlemen, your disinfectant is ready for use. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.